The Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra come with various special boot modes, and today I want to show you how to boot the Galaxy S20 series into recovery mode. Now to do that, we first need to power off the smartphone, and you can do that with the button if you have it set up or through the software button. Once the device is completely powered down, we're going to be pressing and holding the volume up and the power buttons at the same time. So we're going to press these two buttons down. And we're going to continue holding these two buttons. You're going to feel the phone vibrate. We're going to continue holding these two buttons down until you see that blue screen appear. Now once you see that blue screen appear, you're going to want to let go of those two buttons and try to do it at the same time. There have been times where I let go of the volume button a bit early, or I let go of the power button a bit early, and usually that will trigger either the reboot system now or the power off option. So if you see that blue screen appear and then this menu appears, but when you let go it either reboots on its own or something like that, it's probably because you didn't let go at the same time. It can take a bit of time to get used to that timing, but you'll get the hang of it. And again, once you see that blue screen appear, you can let go of those two buttons, and you're going to be booted into the recovery mode main menu. So now you have a better look at what the stock Android recovery screen and menu is going to look like on the Galaxy S20 series. Now, the touch does not work, so we're going to browse through this menu with the volume up and volume down buttons. You can see we can scroll all the way through, and then whenever we want to select the highlighted one, we're going to press the power button. So if I press the power button now, it's going to reboot system now. However, if I had power off option highlighted and I pressed reboot now, then it would select the power off option. So we're going to use this special Android boot mode for a number of different things in future tutorials. For now, if you ever find yourself in the Android recovery mode on the Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, or the S20 Ultra, then just know that if you highlight the reboot system now option and then press the power button, it's going to restart the phone, and then it's going to boot up back into Android. And now we are at the Android home screen. So there you have it. That is how to boot the Samsung Galaxy S20 series both into and out of recovery mode.